Girl. What time do you wake up? Boy. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Girl. Do you use an alarm to wake up? Boy. Yes, I set an alarm to wake me up every morning. Girl. Do you snooze your alarm? Boy. Sometimes I snooze it once, but I try not to. Girl. What is the first thing you do after waking up? Boy. The first thing I do is stretch a bit. Girl. Do you make your bed every morning? Boy. Yes, I always make my bed right after I get up. Girl. Do you check your phone after waking up? Boy. Yes, I check my phone for any messages or notifications. Girl. Do you drink water in the morning? Boy. Yes, I drink a glass of water as soon as I wake up. Girl. Do you exercise in the morning? Boy. Yes, I do a short workout or some yoga stretches. Girl. Do you meditate in the morning? Boy. Sometimes, I meditate for about 5 to 10 minutes to start the day. Girl. What time do you take a shower? Boy. I usually shower right after my workout, around 7:30 a.m. Girl. How long does your morning routine take? Boy. My morning routine usually takes about an hour. Girl. Thanks for today. Boy. Dear, see you tomorrow here again.